Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do a traveling tree ring and what I like to call a tornado pour. I'm using warm colors, which I don't normally use. I often do blues, so I'm trying to switch it up a little here. We're going to just use white, black, red, and yellow. And with the black and yellow, we'll probably get some green in there. And of course, with the white and red, we'll probably get some pink in there. And we'll hopefully get some orange as well. You never know. So, just going to go ahead and layer these colors in the cup. I'm using an 11 by 14 canvas, and it is a canvas that I'm reusing. So you might see it looks a little bit textured, and that's because it is. I just painted some white paint and primer over it because I wasn't really happy with it. Okay, I think just a little more and then we're good. End it with some white. All right. And all materials will be in the description, but these are all Artist Loft Flow acrylics, and they're mixed with Floetrol and water. The recipe will be down in the description as well. So I'm going to start over here at this end, and because this isn't like a particularly skinny canvas, running off the edge already, I'm going to basically just travel with this from one side to the other. And then at the very end here, I'm going to just take it back through it a little bit. And this is where the tornado effect comes in. So, go ahead and, it's been a couple weeks since I've used my paints, so it looks like there might be some dry parts. Alright, and the trick is to try to maintain that awesome tornado look there, so not stretch it too much. Bring it back this way a little bit. Okay. Well, that's definitely interesting. I love it because you kind of never know what you're going to get. You're going to get a different effect each time. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit here and do anything else it might do, like any cells developing or anything. And then we'll come back and we will do our close-up. Okay, we're back. We got some really cool different kind of cells throughout here. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Starting on the lower right-hand corner. You can just see the different ribbons of all the different colors. So here's part of our kind of tornado going through here. Here's the upper right-hand corner. I like the flow of this painting. There's the upper left-hand corner, lots of red. Lower left-hand corner. And check out these really cool cells in here. Super cool. And there you go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you've tried this technique before. I don't know who came up with it. I think I may have. I call it the tornado pour, where you go back through. But either way, it's one I've been doing for a while. Let me know if you've tried this before and how you like it. And I'll see y'all next time.